Steam SFM Workshop 101, Steam Workshop SFM Models. The SFM Workshop on Steam is an integral part of the Source Filmmaker, SFM, software, which is available for free on the Steam platform. The workshop allows users to upload, share, and download user-generated content directly within the SFM application. Here are some details about the SFM Workshop on Steam. 1. Integration with Source Filmmaker, SFM. The SFM Workshop is seamlessly integrated into the Source Filmmaker software, allowing users to access it directly from within the application. Users can browse, subscribe to, and download custom content such as models, maps, animations, particle effects, and scripts created by other SFM users. 2. User-created content. The SFM Workshop hosts a wide variety of user-created content, ranging from character models and props to entire maps and animation sets. Content creators can upload their creations to the workshop for other SFM users to discover and use in their projects. 3. Subscription system. Users can subscribe to items in the SFM Workshop, which will automatically download and install them into their SFM library. Subscribing to items makes it easy to stay up to date with new content and ensures that it is readily available for use in SFM projects. 4. Community interaction. The SFM Workshop fosters community interaction and collaboration among SFM users. Users can rate and comment on workshop items, provide feedback to creators, and engage with other members of the SFM community. 5. Quality control. Workshop items are subject to moderation and review by Valve and the SFM community to ensure quality and adherence to guidelines. Valve may remove or restrict items that violate guidelines or are deemed inappropriate for the SFM Workshop. 6. Learning resources. The SFM Workshop serves as a valuable resource for learning and inspiration. Users can study the work of other creators, learn from tutorials and guides, and participate in workshops and challenges hosted by the community. Overall, the SFM Workshop on Steam plays a vital role in expanding the capabilities of Source Filmmaker and enhancing the creative possibilities for SFM users. It provides a platform for sharing, discovering, and collaborating on user-generated content, contributing to the growth and vibrancy of the SFM community.